What's up, YouTube? Is your boy Rob on the 2018 Honda Goldwing DCT. Got some good news for you. Finally got this recall issue taken care of. You guys may remember last year I had the fuel pump recall for the Honda Goldwing, and just recently, a few months ago, a new recall came out for the primary gear bolt. Well, I'm happy to say that as of 2 weeks ago, finally got this Honda Goldwing repaired. So all the recall work is done. So this bad boy is roadworthy for 2025. But I'm pretty happy about how things went with the recall. Got word via a Facebook group that I'm a member of back in November time frame. I immediately called my Honda dealership to figure out what the deal was, and I think I posted a video not too long ago just giving you a synopsis of what they said. Called them back in December, and I talked to the parts department first, and I just said, hey, any word on the Honda Goldwing recall issue? Are you guys ordering parts yet, or what's the deal? So they took my information down, they looked up my VIN, and yeah, my bike was impacted by the recall, so they immediately ordered the parts, and by mid-January everything was completed on this bike. And luckily the dealership has had a lot of experience working on that particular recall item. The San Antonio Police Department have had issues with that primary bolt, a couple of failures here and there, so they actually had experience working this issue here at my local dealership, so I was pretty happy with that. I had read on some of the Facebook groups that some of the Honda dealerships, or some of the dealerships out there, their technicians really didn't have experience working on this particular issue, so there was a lot of concern with regards to that. But luckily my dealership was pretty knowledgeable on the issue and managed to get it done without too much effort. So I am happy that things are good to go finally with this bike, and I'm just taking it for a little spin today on Sunday morning. Thought I'd get out here and do a quick ride and a quick video just to see how you guys are doing. Like I said, didn't have time to make any videos in January. A lot going on, but from here on out, looks like things may be a little slower. Just had a lot of things going on. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing great. Here in 2025, so far it's been a crazy year. I guess you guys have been watching the news, a lot going on. But my plan for 2025 is to get on a bike and ride a lot more than I did last year. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my Honda Goldwing. The name of the dealership where I got the work done is called Kent Power Sports. They're in Selma, Texas, just northeast of San Antonio. And like I said before, they've had experience working this the latest recall issue on the Honda Goldwing. So if you're in Texas and you got issues with your dealer working this issue, yeah, give them a shout, and I'm sure they'll be able to help you out with that. Tell you what, the best time to ride is Sunday morning. Nobody on the road. I love it. It's a little nippy out. It's like around 45 degrees, but it's not that bad. yeah, whatever you guys do this year, try to ride as much as you can and try to get other people involved with the sport, because man, there's nothing like motorcycling. This is my therapeutic. It's very therapeutic to me. Enjoyable, peaceful, especially when the roads are like this. Utility work. I wonder if they're working today. Yeah, I've got to say, this is one smooth, powerful bike, and it's a joy to ride. You know what? Each of my bikes are enjoyable. My Super Tenere is enjoyable. My MT10 is a lot of fun. The S1000XR, that thing is bonkers. It's totally insane power. And the Goldwing, just so smooth, buttery smooth, and comfortable. This is outstanding. This is what I love about motorcycling. Weather like this, when it's a little cool and brisk, it's like around 45, 49 degrees, somewhere around there, and no traffic on the roads. Got a little landscape to look at. Yeah, man. You know, this is what I love about it. But yeah, folks, I'm totally happy about this bike being up and running for the first time really in almost a year. Everything is working well with it. No recall issues to deal with. Knock on wood. Hopefully that's it for the recalls on this bike. I want to do at least one decent road trip on the Goldwing this year. Maybe a few weekend trips. But yeah, it's just a joy. It's a joy to ride. This is by far the smoothest bike that I own. And in terms of creature comforts, heated seats, heated grips, awesome infotainment system, decent sized luggage, a decent windscreen. I mean, it's got everything that a person would need to tour. So, I mean, this bike lacks for nothing, and I'm just happy that that it's good to go again. Definitely need to do more vlogs on this bike. I need to do more vlogs, period. The entire month of January kind of escaped from me. I didn't do not one vlog the whole month. Just busy with so many other things, but I'll get out on the bike a little bit more often. Yeah, that's all I got for you today. You guys stay safe out there, and I will talk to you later. Peace.